Why sandstone floors in Edinburgh always seem dirty and how to fix it. Sandstone floors add warmth and elegance to any space, but keeping them clean feels like a never-ending task. No matter how often you mop, dirt seems to stick. That's because sandstone is naturally porous. It soaks up dirt, stains, and moisture. We use deep cleaning techniques to pull out embedded grime, restoring the original color and texture of the stone. Then we seal it to keep it looking great for longer. If your sandstone floors look tired and worn, we can bring them back to life. Give your floors the care they deserve. Call 07533 873 476 or visit our website today.